Hello, hi, this is Sonia. I wanted to share with you my homemade deep conditioner. You're going to need for this recipe 3 tablespoons of organic mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of honey. Make sure there's no corn syrup in the honey. 1 large egg or 2 small eggs. If you're protein sensitive, use only 1 egg. You're going to grab your handheld mixer and a bowl, and let's get to mixing all of the ingredients. I'm only using one of the blender attachments, and that's so that I can fully control this while taping at the same time. It's kind of difficult to hold the camera, but what you want to do is go for that lump-free consistency and mix until everything is well incorporated. I actually met someone who used a conditioning treatment similar to this one to transition her hair. The only thing she didn't use was the honey, but she did say mayo and eggs help to transition the hair from that chemical state to a much more natural state without having to chop the hair off. I think that at some point or another you may still have to cut some of the hair off because the chemically processed hair is just that damaged. But she said she really liked the results that she obtained by only using mayonnaise and eggs to transition her hair out of a chemical state. So I wanted to pass that along. Now what I have here is my funnel and container to go ahead and pour my conditioner in. And as you can see, it's fairly lump-free, and I really like the end result here. And what I'll do next is I'll apply this, of course sectioning my hair into 4 sections. I'll apply it, let it sit on my hair for about 15 minutes or longer. The longer the better. And I'll wash this out with water and style my hair as usual, and that's it. Very easy, very simple. Hope this helps someone, and thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. God bless.